Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Windows 10 Pro has recent updates and sign in with an administrator account. Once done, temporarily disable any third-party antivirus so it does not block services. Now open Settings, then Apps and Features to note recent installs that may interfere. You do this because corrupted or conflicting apps often break the search index. Taking these steps first removes common external causes and lets you perform the next actions safely. Next, repair core components, open services, MSC and restart Windows Search and Cortana. This refreshes service state and clears transient faults. Then rebuild the search index from control panel indexing options. Rebuilding forces a fresh catalog so results return. After that, run the PowerShell command I show to re-register built-in apps. This fixes broken start and search integration. Make sure to run PowerShell as admin. These steps address both service-level and app-level issues. To finish, run sfc/scano to repair system files. Follow with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health if SFC reports issues. Once complete, sign out and test search. If problems persist, create a new local administrator profile to check for profile corruption. Sometimes your user data breaks search. As a final measure, perform an in-place upgrade or repair install using the Windows 10 ISO. It preserves apps and data while restoring system components. Tip: if search still fails, check Event Viewer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.